नमस्ते सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और बात करेंगे आप लोगों के साथ सेंसेक्स के बारे में। सेंसेक्स टुडे Nifty 50 stock market live updates. Sensex swing between gains and losses. Nifty above the 25,250. Eternal Indigo lead rebound. Sensex today Nifty 50 stock market live updates. Indian equities slide deeper into the red on Wednesday, extending a bruising selloff into a third straight session as global shockwave and patchy earning knocked the wind out of risks. After the BSE Sensex tumbled more than 850 points on the day, while the Nifty 50 slipped below the closely watched 25,100 mark for the first time since the October, reflecting how weekly statement has turned fragile. Sensex erased 100,000 points and losses them, and positive Nifty back above 25,200. Market show board based on settings pressure, which serves the declines in the technologies, chemicals, and consumer and durables and the midcap segments. The banking and financials remain weak and dragging the statement lower. Defensive the sectors and often leaving support and indicating the cautious risks appetite and the expectation of the continued near-term volatility. While stock market is down today, Sensex stands over 650 PTS and Nifty below 25,100. Trump's the Greenland's traded weaker domestic earning. Rupees listening to record low. Foreign investor continues to sell. Technically chart point to further weakness. Global market updates. 5 S&P 500 feature rose 0.3% as of 1:3 p.m. Tokyo time, and Japan's topics fell 1.1%. Australia's S&P and ASX 200 fell 0.4%. Hong Kong Hang Seng fell 0.1%. The Shanghai Composite rose 0.2%. Euro stock 50 feature fell 0.1%.